Let's talk about the recently launched Vivo smartphone V29 5G, with aesthetic design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED 3D curved display, with 6.78 inches Quad HD plus punch hole display, with resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 90.8% screen to body ratio, with approximately 453 ppi pixel density, and with 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel OIS main wide-angle camera, along with the 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and with 2 megapixel depth camera, features with Aura Light. For selfies it has 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, located in punch-hole display, video maximum at 4K at 30 fps on rear camera and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 13 screen on top. The device, under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G chipset, paired with Adreno 642L GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.18 by 74.37 by 7.46 mm, and it weighs around 186 grams, and the color options Noble Black, Peak Blue, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4600 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS L1, USB Type-C audio jack, with stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C charging port, and with IP68, dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo V29 5G has been priced in Pakistan for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 159,999 Pakistani rupees, while the price in $489. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Vivo V29 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and for more tech updates, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.